We're still live with South Coast HD, a company that is sponsored by Infinite Water, that is sponsored by Nova Sky Productions, and by Edgast from Shelly Beach. I'm here today with Nozie Solutions. I'm the host of the event, which is called the Entrepreneurs Luncheon, and I'm here with one of our guest speakers, Quan Dambuza. I call him Quan. Yeah. Tell us more about who you are.
Yeah, my name is Quan. I'm Quan, the publishing editor of Pondoland Times. We make this publication based in the rural areas of Bizana. Publisher paper, distributor Alfred Zone as OR Tambo, made up of different towns, like more than 8 towns. You can count up Bizana, Port St. John's, Mount Frere, Mount Ayleaf, Mtata, Kumbu, Tsolo, njalo njalo. But all distributors qale Port Shepstone, then Sinyuke Nalo, Port Edward, njalo njalo.
Oh yes, you're also in the South Coast as well. We see Vega Kulu that you're there. How did the paper start as an entrepreneur, and how's this journey been like as well?
The paper was started in March 2021. Iqala as a way of assisting SMMEs with the advertising. People need to grow their businesses, of course, and then we need to have a voice for a community here too. There's towns there to Zine. They've had few voices as there's not too many radio stations, there's not too many papers. The more the merrier, I believe. But responsibility currently is to develop and make sure that the businesses is there to ziakula. Make sure that entrepreneurs link with the opportunities, and then abantu like unemployed, they are linked to jobs through advertising, of course, SMMEs through advertising of tenders and such things. We are available online and on print as well through our website. It's our online publication, pondolandtimes.co.za. We print 5,000 copies per week. That's roughly 20,000 copies per month. For a community newspaper to maintain that for a whole year, it's quite big, because we reach an average of about 60 to 100,000 readership or readers per month. I think I've
covered mostly everything. And how has it been being here at the Entrepreneurs India function hosted by Nozie Solutions?
It's been great. It's been wonderful to be around this Nozie. It's awesome.
And entrepreneurs in general, just networking and having more people hearing what entrepreneurs are all about, I think it's key for this event as well.
And also sharing this Nozie, some of the things that we've learned up to this far since we've started the journey or the newspaper in 2021 March, sharing those stories. Some of them sad, some of them fun, some of them nice, and nokufunda again, like you said. From each challenges, the colleagues is there too. We run different businesses. We don't like to call them small, but of course it's the terminology. We see them as big as big they can be. We run big businesses, actually.
What an honor to host Pondoland Times as our key guest speaker here today. He's really touched on the importance of digitization, the power of the social media platforms as well, of optimizing even your certain engines within your business. He's even brought us some tears in our eyes in the hardships of the journey that he's been. Before we end, we always say South Coast HD, the place to be. Can you say that as well?
South Coast HD, the place to be.
Thank you so much. Siyabulela.